In today's video, we're going to be talking about Mavic Mini Quickshot Modes. Before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube SEO tool that helps you grow your channel using tags, titles, thumbnails. It's an amazing tool and it's what I've been using to grow this YouTube channel. So definitely check out my link in the description below. And by clicking on it, you'll learn more information and even get a free trial. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment in the comment section below, but let's get into the actual topic of the video. So the Mavic Mini offers 4 different Quickshot modes. If you're not familiar with what Quickshot modes are, they're basically autonomous modes where you just put the drone in the sky, focus it on a subject, either outline or select the subject if the drone picks it up automatically, hit go, and then the drone does whatever you've programmed it to do. The most popular one is called a droney. It's where the drone basically starts in one spot aiming at a subject, and then when you hit go, it basically backs up and flies out and up, showing you this awesome view of everything around you. And honestly, it's one of my favorite ones to use, and it's probably the safest Quickshot mode to use because some of them have you doing all types of spinning and circles, and if you're near obstacles, that can be a problem. Since we're in my really crowded backyard with all this furniture and the house and the wall and the canal right behind here, I'm only going to be showing you guys 2 Quickshot modes, but they're probably going to be the main Quickshot modes that you'll use. So I'm going to start recording here. I've got the Mavic Mini remote and my iPhone 11 Pro set up here. I'm going to record the screen so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so we are now recording on the remote. So let's take off. So the way you access Quickshot mode is right above the record button. You'll see a button that says 2.7K, 1080p, whatever you're recording in. You're gonna go there, and on the side, you're gonna see Quickshot right below video. It gives you a little example of what it does, and then you select the type of Quickshot you want. So I'm gonna go with the droney, and we're gonna have it go out to 120 feet so that it's really fun. So we're good with that. So now what we're gonna do, since the drone can't see me, we're going to draw an outline. Oh, actually it can see me. See that little green plus? That means the drone can see me. So I'm just gonna tap on that. There we go. And once I hit start, the drone will start the Quickshot. 3, 2, 1. There it goes. So as you can see, automatically I'm not doing anything and the drone is just flying back. So what it'll do is it'll fly back and record, and once it reaches that 120 feet, I think we selected, right? 120 feet, then it'll stop and it'll start to return, and it'll come back to the same exact spot that the droney started in. So it's really cool. You don't need to do anything. It's all autonomous. So there we go, we're back. And so I said I was gonna show you guys 2 Quickshot modes. The second Quickshot mode I'm gonna show you is called Rocket. This is where the drone just shoots straight up and looks down. So we're gonna do Rocket here. As you can see in the example, this is what it does. There you go, you see the plus there again. And you can also outline manually if you don't see that plus. So I just did that, and there we go, I'm selected. Now we're gonna hit start, and the drone is gonna go straight up, and it's gonna be really cool. So let's see. Now I'm really close to the deck here, so I'm really interested to see if the drone can return without hitting the deck, and I really hope it can. Here it comes. Oh shoot, okay. So be careful when you're flying near obstacles. I just stopped it from coming back fully because I thought it was gonna hit that umbrella. So that's why I did that. So I'm gonna back up here. and we're gonna come back in. And I'm gonna do a little bit of a hand catch. Back it up. And there we go. That is how you do Quickshot modes with the Mavic Mini. Very easy to do and a lot of fun. And it's a great way to get good shots without having to actually do anything with the remote. You just hit a button. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, definitely hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you're updated when I create new videos. And also please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that will help it rank in the algorithm. Also, make sure you stay tuned because the Mavic Mini 2 is coming out soon and I will be covering that here on this channel, including an unboxing, a tutorial, and a review. So definitely stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next video.